Alright, moving on. FedEx just dropped off another box. Big one. Alright, let's go see what we got here on the other ones we got opened up already, or partially opened. Alright, rattle them around a little bit. Alright, see what we got here. You love those. Pulley. But you're nice and safe. Like that. Garbage. 11mm belt drive pulley, kick only, 4-speed. New old stock. Supposed to be a primo. I don't see a date on it anywhere, or name or anything. Either on the inside in here somewhere. Somewhere. Nope. Not on the inside. IU5. Definitely primo type writing. Look at every surface. They like hiding their name sometime. This one looks like it's hidden pretty good. They didn't leave a mark. No marking saying it's primo. I got another one from 8mm. Looks the same though how it's made. So I'm sure it's primo. Just doesn't have the markings. It's kind of weird. Well, the way it goes. Can't have everything, right? Okay, let's go count the teeth. See how many teeth we got on here. So that's an important thing, how many you got. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45 tooth. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got the same number twice. That's a good sign. Damn it, drop the pen. Alright. So it's 45 tooth. .45 tooth, 11mm. Primo. Almost read that. Alright, well, it's definitely new. And the bearing surface is not rusty like the last one I got, so that's a good sign. 11mm is a hot rod money. A little bit taller gearing, more cruising speed, and less. The belt should be stronger. Whether it's strong or not, who knows. One thing about belts, they all break. Okay, we put a little stick them in here to retard the rusting a little bit, like in there. The last one I went and scrubbed that a little bit, so probably wouldn't be a bad idea to do that again. Scrubbing pad here, a little clean one. too aggressive. Just enough to knock off some of the high spots. This is worn out pad too, so it's not even really a sharp one. So I'm not trying to remove any material, just knock off anything that might be high. I didn't really feel anything in there, but it doesn't hurt just to make sure. That should be good enough. Alright, looks good. Put a little spray more on these to get the dogs from rusting anymore. Should be enough. Blow job just to knock off some more of it and wipe off the excess, call it done. There you go. Good for setting for another 20 years or whenever I need it. It's going to be the backup for my 57 drag bike because that's the belt drive in that system. Make sure it's the same tooth count. Mine's a BDL system as I recall, but I think they run the same pulley diameters and stuff. We'll find out. If not, I'll build a system up for something else. I got more than one old bike out there, so it'll work. I like 11 better than 8. So. Alright, there you go.